What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. This past couple of days, the market has been really slow. And again, this is summertime, it's to be expected. I do want to mention real quick, the coupon code for 90% off is Elite90. Let me move this up real quick. So they are doing a 90% off on Bullnox. Usually they do these kind of like at the end of the month, and it's only for a few days. So this time it's only 5 days. And it's option 1 accounts only. Again, code is Elite90. So if you want to pick some up, please do so. Apex still doing 80% off, and I believe Blue Sky is doing the $99 summer sale, and everybody else is pretty much the same. There's not much going on. I do want to mention Trade Day. They changed their rules in terms of like payouts and stuff like that. So they're no longer a day 1 payout prop firm. So that's been changed. And if you don't know or whatever, look it up on their website. There's some changes. Basically they implemented a $2,000 kind of like a safety net, which is a lot. I'm not a fan of big safety nets. I don't mind safety nets, but I don't like when they're like $2,000, or even like when Bullnox is, you know, $1,600. I don't like that. But it is what it is. Speaking of Blue Sky, I do have to reset the Blue Sky valuation. I'm down like $800, so I am trading with max contracts. So it's just one of those things. Basically, if you're trading with max contracts, you only get like maybe trade and a half. You know, it depends on what your risk is, and then you have to either call it a day and come back tomorrow, or you're getting stopped out and blow an account. They do have a $600 max loss daily. So I hit that this morning. I think I hit this trade right here. This is a loser, and I hit it right here. So I had to switch accounts. I am trading Apex for a little bit, just to kind of bring my accounts a little bit up. And I always trade in Bullnox as well. I do have to keep those accounts active because, like I mentioned before. But it is what it is. Top Step is on hold. It's on hold, and I'm gonna have to basically figure out how I want to trade that, because Renko bars on that platform is trash, and I cannot switch platforms. Just how it is. So what I'm thinking is just putting up a DOM somewhere on my main screen, somewhere here of DES, and just trade based off, again, same system that I'm using right now. And if I see a setup, I'll just hit the DOM, you know, buy or sell button on the DOM on the Top Step X, and that way, you know, it's already there. So because I can't trade the regular candlesticks, I just can't. I don't see the price action. To me, this makes sense. Anyways, yeah, these are my trades. Again, like I said before, I do had a loser. That is what it is. Congested. I should have been waited for like a break, a retest, but I didn't. So that is what it is. There was basically a footprint trade here, basically for 1 point, and you have a failure here as well. The price action has been really slow, and it's to be expected. It's summertime, it's low volatility, and you know, that's just how it is. And you know, I think the volatility, it was same thing last year. I think the volatility came back around August, like end of August, beginning of September. So maybe I'll take a break from trading and from everything in July for maybe like a couple weeks, maybe like end of July or maybe beginning of July. I'm not sure, but maybe just make some other videos on like related to trading, but not necessarily like, you know, trading itself. Streaming is on hold as well. Don't know how I feel about streaming. I think I did really bad this past couple of streams, so that's on hold until maybe when the volatility comes back. I'll maybe do a couple more, but for now I think that's on hold. But other than that, that's all I got really. This price action, it just kills me. Yesterday I took a trade in the morning, and I was falling asleep at the monitor. I was because there was just no movement, and I decided to call it a day. And it was an early day. I finished trading at 9 o'clock pretty much. No, it was like 9:30 actually. 9:30 I was done because I couldn't stay awake. Could not stay awake. The price was not moving. It was just doing this weird whatever chop, and I said I'm out. So, but that's that. But like I said, I think hopefully next week I'll start focusing more on Blue Sky, but it's just hard to trade with max contracts, right? Because if the volatility is not there, sometimes the price doesn't move the way you want it to move, right? So it's just one of those things, but it is what it is. But that's all I got for the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.